Hey guys, I'm back. I made a mistake in the previous video. Here. When we rotate this guy, it closes the mouth, right? What we want, actually, is to start with the mouth closed in the first place. So, I am gonna take this guy. I'll go to my blend shape. Yeah, wait, here. This corrective shape and break the connections and bring it to 1. Okay, now basically I want to model the mouth closed. So I'm going to take this edge and just, sorry, I have to work symmetrically here. And model a closed mouth. So take these guys, bring it down. You can actually scale these guys together. There. This is coming along quite well. Boom, boom. And there you have it. Nice and closed. And that's going to carry over. There. So now we have closed mouth and we can open it with this controller. There. Now it's just a matter of painting whites and adding in controllers for these guys. Alright, so let's add in controllers and finish off this rig. The fingers as well. Alright, so now let's add in controllers. So we have to plan these guys out first. So when this guy moves, I want these guys to follow a bit as well, right? Like when I move this up, I want these guys to follow a bit halfway. We will do that with the controllers. So I'll just make the controllers. Front view, alright. So let's go into curves, then let's create a circle. And snap this guy here to this joint. Okay. F. There. Snap him here. Rotate. 90 degrees. And alright. Scale him down a bit. Okay. Now duplicate. Then the next guy. Duplicate for the next guy. Duplicate for the next guy. Duplicate. I'm just holding down V and middle click to snap. Then duplicate V, middle click, snap. V, middle click, snap. V, middle click, snap. Duplicate. And there. Okay. So now I'm going to go in my outliner up here. Perspective and outliner. If you guys want to know, it's a spacebar. Right click on this area here and perspective and outliner. Okay, so all of these guys here I want to pull forward and scale down. Okay, do I have to scale them down one by one? Come on, 0.5. Alright. Now I'll take all of these guys and modify freeze And let's just change the corner controls. Take these two, control vertex, this guy, control vertex. Take this, oh dear, this vertex here. Then hit B for soft select. Bring down my soft selective. Okay, it's not working. Anyways, what I want is to bring this out. And I want to do the same for this guy here. Scale. Bring it out some more. Just so we know which one's the corner control. Alright. Now we're gonna place in smaller controls, a secondary level of control. So I'm gonna take these guys here. Duplicate. Then all of these guys I want to be 0.5. There. There. So this is our second level of control. And same for the controller as well. For these corner controls, duplicate, then 0.5. There. Alright. So we have these guys. And good. So select all my secondary controls, group this, call it secondary. And then these guys group, and then this will be primary. Now let me just check on my other stuff here. Oh yeah, these two controllers I can unparent and just modify freeze and bring it into my control group. Parent here. Yeah, for the feet. Yeah, just so I can delete these guys. I didn't name these guys, I should name them. So this one's left foot control, and this one's right foot CTRL. There you go. So this is not the final grouping, so don't worry about that. I'll just select everything again and just freeze my transforms, modify freeze. Okay, so these guys are not the final grouping yet. You have to name all of them. So this one's left secondary corner. Wait, secondary corner CTRL. Right, now I'll just select all of these guys. Then this one's, oh sorry, this one's left. Silly me. There. Okay, this one is left secondary lip 1 CTRL. Then this one's, oh dear, how do I get these guys wrong, man? So this one's right secondary lip 2 CTRL. And then this guy is mid secondary lip 2 CTRL. This one's mid lip 1 CTRL. This one's left secondary lip 1 CTRL, and this one is left secondary lip 2 CTRL. Ah. Cheers to those who did not skip through. I'm pretty sure all of you did. Anyways, I think I keyed one of them. Yeah, just delete this key by accident. Alright, now primaries. So these guys are straightforward. No more sec. You don't have to put secondary, so this one is left lip 2 GDRL. This one is mid lip 2. This one is right lip 2. This one is right corner. This one is right lip 1. This one is middle lip 1. This one is left lip 1. And finally corner, left corner. Awesome. Okay, now just match them. So I'll take secondary corner, right corner. Yeah, I can do it here. Take this guy, parent it here. Take this guy. Nope, it's easier up here. Left secondary corner, parent. Then lip 2, lip 2, lip 1, lip 1, middle lip 1, middle lip 1, middle lip 2, middle lip 2, and there you go. Alright, I can delete these guys. I can call this mouth CTRL. Awesome. Alright, so when I move this guy, it's gonna move those guys as well. Obviously, it's a parent. Alright, so now we have our secondary controls. They're all there. Now we can proceed. Okay, so what happens is when I key this guy, my secondary is not keyed. So that means I have extra control under the hierarchy, right? So I can take these guys and I can parent constrain this. So constrain parent. And take this, do the same here. Take this, do the same here. Take this, do the same here. Take this guy, there. So now when I move this guy up, or when I move this guy around, moves that guy. When I move this guy around, moves that guy. So now what is this doing? Why are these guys rotating? Hmm. Oh dear, I see. I see. Okay. Delete the offsets. So I'm just deleting the offsets. There. Now for this guy as well. He has an offset. Just delete that offset. Not the offset, but the offsets. The offsets. What do you call this? There. The offsets parent constraint here. Hmm. There. Okay. So that's gone. Alright. Sorry guys. Now I can take this guy. Okay, that's still there. This guy here. Constrain parent. Okay. And so on. Ooh. Okay. This guy here. This guy here. Alright, so I have that working. Now basically what we want to do now is sorry, hit the wrong button. Alright, so minimize my rig and my mouse control. I can minimize. Throw this into CTRL. Actually, what we want is, yeah, later. Alright, so now what we want is, okay, we have this mouse control. Now we have to do the proper parenting here. Now, first off, let's do the corner controls. So when I move this control up, I want all of these two guys to blend, right? When I move this, I want these guys to blend. And when I move this, I want this to blend down and up as well, right? Okay, so it sounds pretty complicated, so bear with me, guys. Okay. So first off, I need to create offsets for all of them, right? So I'm going to take these guys, this, group, 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 group. There. Now I'm going to name these guys later on. Nope, I have to name them now. Okay, bear with me, guys. So this will be left lip 1, lip 2, offset. Okay, let me just copy this over. Corner. That wasn't so bad. Alright, so we have our offsets, and now we can apply the proper constraints. Right, so first off, when I rotate this guy, okay, I want to do the parent constraints, right? So I'm going to take this, then I'm gonna do my corners first. So let me minimize these guys, just so it's easier to look at. Okay. Let me arrange this. No, never mind. Okay, so I'm going to take this guy, take the corner, then I'm going to constrain parent. Take this guy, take my other corner, do the same. So now, these corners are following. Now I want to take this guy, take my corner, do the same. Take this guy, take my other corner, do the same. Now they should blend. When I rotate, there, they're blending. Alright? So I can move this to this side, and I can move this to the other side. So they're blending quite nice. Now to make sure that they blend properly, I want everything to sum up to 1, just for formality's sake. So 0.5. And for this guy as well, 0.5. Alright, now it's just a matter of blending these guys in the bottom as well. Alright, so I'm going to take the corner, do this for left whip 1, constrain parent. I'm going to take the corner, this guy here, left whip 2, do the same. So now I have this. Yeah, I got this. Yeah. Alright. So they're gonna blend basically wherever my corner goes. Alright. What if you want just the upper lip to open? You don't want the lower lip to come along. Okay. This is where things get tricky. Now, I don't think we need the corners to follow. I can delete the constraints. Bear with me, guys, because this is also something fairly new to me. So we're learning this together. Alright. So, this guy. Proper blending. Now we need an offset within an offset. Dun dun dun! Okay. Okay, I'm gonna group this guy and open this. So this will be left lip 1 upper mouth. Upper offset. Okay, so that when this upper mouth moves, I can take this guy with me. So, wait, no, because this is parent constraint. Fudge, man, fudge. Undo, sorry. I can just simply take this guy, select this, constrain, and parent, and do the same. For middle lip 1, do the same, and right lip 1, do the same. And there you go, I have this happening. Alright. No, this is not what happened. Oh, I see where I went wrong. Okay. There. Constrain parent. Make sure you constrain the offsets, not the controller. There. so they blend. Nice. That is exactly what I want. And then I have separate here and then separate for the bottom as well. Okay, so I'm going to do the same for the bottom. All the lip 2s. So do this. Constrain parent. Then lip 2 G, lip 2 G. Then I can take this guy. Then constrain left lip 2 G. Take this guy, constrain right lip 1 and right lip 2. And there you go. I have this blend, I have this blend, I have this, and I have this. Alright. So for the lower mouth, it's going to be quite different. We can take this guy here and blend it a bit more. So the corner can be 0.5 or 0.4. No, 0.2. Yeah, 0.2 work. This guy as well. 0.2. Yeah, so we open this. Nice. Alright. Bring this back to 0. I hit scale on that one. Okay. Now we want the lower jaw to follow. So let's go into Geo. Make sure our lower jaw. Where's our lower jaw? Mouth, lower gums. Okay. We want it. Let's break this. Can put upper teeth to upper gums, lower teeth to lower gums, just so it's easier to manipulate. Can take this guy and lower gums, constrain parent, and this guy to upper gums, parent. Okay. So when I rotate, the gums follow. The teeth follow. Ta-da! But we need separate controllers for the teeth. Not thinking. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this guy. Scale down like this. Duplicate this guy. Scale down like that. Select the two, modify freeze. Select this guy, parent to this guy. And this guy, parent to here. Alright, and these will be the constraints. So I can select this, lower gums, constrain parent, and select this, upper gums, parent. Ta-da! So now we have our blend, and if you want individual control, we can just select this, our individual control, and control them individually. And that's it. Now, how to make everything follow. Right. So in order for everything to follow, you just have to make sure that the corners are following as well. So I can take this guy, take my corner offset, constrain parent, and this guy, take my other corner, and then parent. And then, there you have it, guys. A working facial rig for the Minion. That is awesome. Yeah, the eyes are just simple rotations. You can key those if you want. We can add controllers as well. For the eye control, it's pretty straightforward. Let's just go for front view. Let's go to curves. Create controller for this. snap it to this joint here, go to side view, bring it out here. Okay, this is quite different. I want it to be an individual control. So I'm going to duplicate, rotate Y 90, no, not Y, what am I doing? X 90, duplicate, then I want Y 90. Select all of these guys. Okay, here, I'm going to enable shapes, drop this down, select all these guys, and for the last shape I want to select that. Then I'm going to go to command line, then I'm going to do parent -R -S, hit enter, and there you go. Delete these two. Oh, I forgot to freeze. My bad. Modify freeze. Okay, now open these guys and do the same again. Parent -R -S. There you go. Delete these two and on display shape nodes. I want that because I want this to be one controller, one shape. Alright. Okay, so bring it down here and scale it up. Alright, so I want this to be like an individual control for the eye. You know, so it's, no, that's not working. Fudge. Yeah, so we can just manually, you know, rotate the eye. That would be so much easier. So I'll select this, then constrain, rotate, orient, sorry. Okay. Modify freeze. And there you have it. Awesome. That doesn't look right. Oh well. It's just a geo fix, but yeah. And this, we parent to this, and we're good. Good to go. Or point constrain. Yeah, so I'm gonna select this, constrain point, so that it doesn't rotate along with it. Okay. You know what you can do? Is constrain parent, but break rotation, break connection, break connection. There, you can break the rotation, so it does not rotate, but it follows. There, that's a neat trick. Haha. There you go. And then you can still animate rotations. So now let's go back down to, and let's just bulletproof this rig, where you take this guy. For example, you have constraints that you don't want to key. Just select these constraints, then lock them. Right? So make sure that all your controllers, like for example this, well, you do want some translation, but like there might be times where, for example this, yeah, you still want translations for that. But look for your constraints. Oh, my alarm. Good morning. Yeah. So just make sure that your constraints are, just make sure that it's clean, it's nice and clean. Okay, so the arms and the legs are pretty straightforward. All I have to do is just create IK handles. So I create IK handle here for the leg. Alright, now the leg is pretty interesting. I'll create another IK handle down here and another one down here. Alright, now I'm going to create a curve and then snap it here. Scale that curve up a bit. Holding down J to snap my rotations. Snap it at 90. Move it back here, scale it down. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to perspective. Alright, so now what I want to do is I want to take this guy, hold down D and V for pivots, and move the pivot down here to the joint. Then I'll modify freeze. Now what is this controller? Wait, something wrong. Move it here a bit. Alright, so what is this controller for? This will be for our foot roll. So what you do is you take the IK handle, parent it to this guy here. Then I'll take my two IK handles down here, parent it here, and of course parent this guy here. Yeah. So now I have my foot working, and this guy will be my foot roll. Yeah. Very simple, right? That beats any reverse footlock any day. Alright, so I can take another controller, place it down here, and move its pivot point here, then modify freeze, and I can take this IK handle, parent it here, and parent this controller again to my foot control. And there you have it, guys. So this guy will be for our foot tap, and this guy will be for our foot roll. Beat that, reverse footlock. Haha, beat that. Alright, so I want to duplicate this guy. Yeah. Okay. Then move him here. Modify freeze. I'll just check what he has. Yeah, as I suspected. That's an IK handle. Okay. Now take my IK again. Great. My IK settings, just so I didn't show you guys, is an RP solver, rotation plane. Okay. I don't like using single chain. Yeah. Alright. Take this guy, duplicate. Move him here. Press down. Check if he has, which he does, another duplicate IK handle, modify freeze, select these two guys, parent them here. Alright, now take my IK here, parent here, and take my IK here, parent here. And that's it. That's my setup for the feet. Oh yeah, we have one more in the middle, parent here, to lock that down, to lock that foot down. There you go. Not that the minion really needs it, but it's quite interesting. See? Look at that. Power of IK, my friend. Alright. Now, finally, there might be some tweaks you guys might want to do. And as for me, I want to scale these arms down. The magic of joints, man. The magic of joints. Alright, then IK here on one side, and IK on the other. Take curve, rotate it at Z, 90. Move one here, scale that guy up, duplicate, move that guy here. Alright, take these two guys, modify freeze, and I can take my IK and parent. Okay, parent. Bye. And this guy here, parent. Yeah, so these are IK controls and IK. So now what you want to do is orient constrain this. Constrain orient. So when I move this, we can separately rotate this guy. There. Then take this guy, do the same here, orient constrain. Alright, we're getting there, guys. Alright, now for the shoulder controls. Take another circle, scale this guy up, rotate him at a certain angle. Let's rotate him at a definite angle so we can copy it over to the other side. Alright, then modify freeze. Now, this is pretty tricky. We want to aim constrain this guy. See, we want this to rotate. So what we're going to do is select this and then go to Constrain Aim. So when I move this guy up, there, he'll aim, and when I move side to side, there, he'll just follow. Now why aim? So that when we move out, it doesn't deform in a weird way when we move too far out. Yeah. Unless you want that, of course. I mean, some people want that. Alright, so I have that, and I can take this guy and constrain this. And these two will be parented here to the chest control. There you go. Alright. We have IK. Awesome. Great. I'm thinking that's about it, guys. Fingers are just set driven keys, you know. Just place in sliders and set driven key these guys. Yeah. I'll show that in another video. But for now, I guess that's it for the minion. You guys can stop here and actually start animating this guy. Yeah, you can get some crazy shapes with this. Yeah. Yeah. Let's make him smile for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps. And as usual, rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright, guys, I'll see you around. Take care.